Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to have 7 minutes about 5 healthy sandwich recipes for weight loss. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Sandwiches are one of the most popular foods. You must want to know how to prepare different homemade sandwiches and make the most delicious sandwiches. Sandwiches are light, healthy, and easy to prepare to include in every meal. You can make the best sandwiches from homemade food. In this video, we are going to teach you how to make the most delicious homemade sandwiches for yourself and enjoy them. Stay tuned with us to learn the best recipes. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Homemade sandwiches can be made in different ways, and different foods can be used in them. You can also prepare these sandwiches lightly to eat as a snack, and you can use high nutritional value foods in them to use these sandwiches as main meals. You may be interested to know that homemade sandwiches are easier to prepare than many other foods, so making them can be a lot of fun and easy. Another critical point is about the taste of these sandwiches. Since you can add different foods to these sandwiches, their taste is usually delicious. Number 5. Chicken sandwich. The chicken sandwich is one of the most delicious homemade sandwiches you can make. To make this sandwich, grind a chicken breast and add some breadcrumbs to make your chicken taste better and firmer. Then add some grated onion and water with salt, pepper, and other spices of your choice to this mixture and blend them well. Then you can fry these delicious burgers in olive oil and serve them with lettuce, pickles, and tomatoes. You can prepare this chicken sandwich easily and in the fastest possible time. Number 4. Mushroom and garlic sandwich. Suppose you like the taste and smell of mushrooms and are interested in using mushrooms to make a delicious meal. In that case, we suggest mushrooms and garlic. To make this homemade sandwich, you must first crush or grate the garlic and the mushrooms. Chop some parsley as well. Next, put some margarine butter in a pan and wait for it to melt on the heat. In the following, add your mushrooms and grated garlic to this mixture and fry them together for a short time. Now it's time to put the lid on your pan and let the mushrooms cook well. During this process, be sure to stir the mushrooms several times to mix well with the garlic. Finally, put these ingredients on toast or other favorite bread and add chopped parsley to it, so your homemade mushroom and garlic sandwich is ready. Number 3. Tuna sandwich. If you are also very interested in homemade sandwiches, do not miss the homemade tuna and pickled sandwiches. To make this homemade sandwich, which is one of the best and most delicious homemade sandwiches, in a bowl, mix the tuna, onion, fresh lemon juice, salt, and pepper well to taste and ingredients. Now put these ingredients on your toast and put some pickles on it. Note that because tuna has enough salt and you also use pickles on these ingredients, you can remove the salt. In addition to celery, you can also use fresh vegetables such as parsley on this sandwich, which makes this homemade sandwich have a better flavor. Number 2. Potato sandwich. Potatoes are one of the foods you can use to make different sandwiches. One way to make homemade sandwiches using potatoes is that you first need to boil your medium-sized potatoes well. Peel a squash, grate it and chop it finely. Then mix some chopped parsley, some dried dill, salt, pepper, and a small amount of yogurt with these grated potatoes. You can put these ingredients on your breakfast bread and have a tasty sandwich using potatoes. Making this sandwich does not require much energy and time, and you can use it both as an evening snack and as a main meal. Number 1. Veggie Sandwich. Are you one of those very interested in vegetarian sandwiches and would like to include these sandwiches in your meals? This section will introduce you to the best vegetable sandwiches. Eggplant sandwich is a delicious and valuable homemade sandwich with many benefits for the body. The vegetable sandwich is made from yellow squash and red pepper. You can use eggplant, zucchini, red bell peppers, and tomatoes to make this sandwich. You can both grill and boil the ingredients and mix them together. If you want to lose weight, sandwiches are among the best choices you can have. They are easy to prepare healthily, and you can take them everywhere with you. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.